Hi everyone, my name's Juliet, and today I'm talking about paperback cover templates. So you've downloaded your paperback template, and let's be honest, that's 99.99% likely to have been from KDP Print. But how do you use it? Well, the first thing you have to do is extract the document from the folder. You need to double-click on it to do this, and inside you'll find a PDF and a PNG file. I always use the PNG file, so you'll need to copy or move it to another location on your machine. I already have this one extracted. I'm going to show you how easy it is to get this into GIMP with a simple drag and drop. I'm sure most other applications work similarly. Now you can start to create the layers of your book cover on top of your template. But there are some rules, most of which are written on the template, but let's go over them. But first, don't alter the canvas size, so the size of your template image, even if it is proportional. Leave as is and use the view size to alter what you're seeing if you need to. The template is created to the correct size and correct resolution, and you need to keep that intact if you want to have a good product. Keep everything within the red lines. Well, that's what they call them. I'd call them closer to pink. That is apart from your background. That should cover the whole template. Don't put anything important where the barcode block is. Barcodes aren't transparent. You won't be able to see it. You will find that some things don't look quite centered overall if you keep them within the red boundaries. That is because around the edge there is a margin that may or may not get cut off when the book is produced. You just have to trust that this will be all right. The distances won't be greatly out, just a few millimeters if anything, unless you get a duff batch of printing. Instead of having to constantly make layers visible and invisible in order to see the template and to place things correctly, make your background less opaque while you're working. Before you prepare the final PDF, make sure the template layer isn't visible, just in case there's a sliver of it showing somewhere, which there shouldn't be, but better to be safe. I think that's just about all I can say about the template itself. Thank you for watching.